Join me as I dive into the world of investing and put to the test some strategies that actually work in Ghana right now. Investing in Ghana can be a daunting task, especially with the current economic climate. The cedi's volatility, the uncertainty of the stock market, and the ever-changing regulatory environment can make it difficult for even the most seasoned investors to make informed decisions. But despite these challenges, many Ghanaians are looking for ways to grow their wealth and secure their financial futures. That's why it's more important than ever to discuss effective investment strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals. When it comes to investing in Ghana, one of the biggest challenges is market volatility. The value of your investment can fluctuate rapidly, making it difficult to predict returns. This is especially true for investments in the stock market, where prices can drop significantly in a matter of days. Another challenge is the lack of information. It can be difficult to access reliable data and insights, making it hard to make informed investment decisions. Furthermore, the regulatory environment in Ghana is constantly changing, which can make it difficult to navigate the investment landscape. Additionally, currency fluctuations can also pose a significant risk to investments, especially for those invested in foreign currencies. Investing in real estate is one strategy that has proven to be effective in Ghana. The demand for housing is high, especially in urban areas like Accra and Kumasi, making it a lucrative investment opportunity. For example, investing in a rental property in a prime location can generate significant returns through rental income. Another strategy is investing in the stock market. While it can be volatile, the Ghana Stock Exchange has shown steady growth over the years, making it a viable option for long-term investors. Agribusiness is also an attractive option, with Ghana's agricultural sector being a significant contributor to the country's GDP. Investing in agribusiness can provide a steady stream of income and contribute to the growth of the economy. One standout strategy that has been particularly effective in Ghana is investing in treasury bills. Treasury bills are a low-risk investment option that provides a fixed return over a short period of time, typically ranging from 3 months to 1 year. They are backed by the government, making them a secure investment option. For example, investing in a 3-month treasury bill can provide a return of around 12%, which may not be spectacular, but it's a low-risk investment that can provide a steady stream of income. In conclusion, investing in Ghana requires careful consideration and a deep understanding of the market. By investing in real estate, the stock market, or agribusiness, and by taking advantage of low-risk investment options like treasury bills, you can grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Don't forget to share your own investment experiences in Ghana in the comments below, and if you want to learn more about investing in Ghana, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be discussing more investment strategies that actually work.